Hello future developers, welcome to another tutorial ABCD. So today we'll be learning to do some other methods in TextBlob. Okay, so you can see we have the there method and you can see what it prints out. Okay, so the there prints out all the functions that you can perform, all the methods inside TextBlob that you can actually do on text or perform on text. Okay, so I would have to add a new cell. Okay, so let me add a new cell and then let's try that out. So I'm going to do dir into bracket text blob. Okay, text blob. Okay, so you can see these methods are things that we can actually perform on text. Okay, so we can do translate, we can do convert text to an uppercase, we can actually find the subjectivity, polarity, and remember we've already done in the previous lesson we've done something on subjectivity. Okay, so yeah, so these are the methods that can be performed on the text. Okay, so now let's try something here on let's see which method to use. There are lots of methods. I'll just choose one of them and then we'll just continue. Okay, so now let's try this. So definition, so I'm creating a variable called b and then I'll pass a word. So I'm going to convert that into a text blob method. Okay, so b, where's b? So b into brackets, then a string, and then I'm going to type let's say, so definition, let me type crucial. Okay, so you want to get a definition for crucial. Okay, then I'm going to print that out. So let's do print into brackets b dot definitions. Remember the definitions, we have s at the end. Okay, definitions, not definition but definitions. Okay, you can see of extreme importance, vital to the resolution of a crisis. Okay, okay, so here you can see spell check, we have good. Okay, so I was trying to type good and you can see it's giving me the accuracy percentage of which one I was trying to type. Okay, so let's create a variable k and then pass a word method, and then I'm going to type this time random type. I'm going to type God. I'm supposed to type God. Okay, so God, and I use GUD. So let's see how our test block is going to perform all the results. Okay, so print into bracket k dot spell check. Okay, so spell check, remember in the spell check at the end puts the parentheses or the brackets, bracket brackets. Okay, so you can see it actually knows that I was trying to type what God. So look at the accuracy, 70% accuracy, and then GAN is like 12%. Okay, so it's doing well. So that's the power of test block. You can see good. So here at good, I'm trying to define good. Okay, so if you define good, so let's try creating a variable z. Okay, so whichever variable you want, so z, and then convert into a test block object. So word into brackets, and then in the string, let's see what we want to define. So whichever word you want to define. So let me use planet. Okay, so I'm going to use planet. Okay, sorry, planet, and then let's print that out. So print into brackets z dot define. Okay, so you can see we have astronomy of the 9 large celestial bodies. Okay, so that's how you can also use these methods in TextBlob. Okay, to actually work on text. Okay, so thank you.